Writing style: engaging. Hey everyone! If you're planning a trip to Pakistan or just love exploring unique shopping spots around the world from your comfort zone, buckle up because today I'm taking you through the top 6 must-visit malls in Pakistan. First up, we have the Grand Centaurus Mall in Islamabad. This isn't just a mall, it's a landmark. With its futuristic architecture and a mix of local and international brands, it offers an experience that goes beyond shopping. Imagine wandering around in a building that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Next, let's jet over to Lahore, where the Packages Mall awaits. This place is massive and modern, with a layout that makes every shopping spree an adventure. Beyond shopping, they host fantastic events throughout the year, so you might just bump into a concert or a cultural festival during your visit. Moving down to Karachi, welcome to the Dolmen Mall Clifton. Located right by the sea, this mall gives you beautiful views while you shop. It's a favorite